So I'm Makaelah Murray, and I'm a student athlete here at Delta College. I'm in my last year here, getting ready to transfer to Howard University to continue playing soccer there, and my major is biology. Yeah, I've been playing soccer since first grade, so I want to become an orthopedic surgeon. In my mind, it was like, okay, there's a possibility that I'm not going to get a soccer scholarship because I've been injured in such a way. And so that's why I, decided I needed to really make sure I had something to go to when soccer wasn't a part of my life anymore. I actually put together a empowerment conference for high school student athletes here in the Stockton-area. I've seen how so many kids think that their only way to college is through an athletic scholarship. The conference is going to teach you how to do that, how to have a strong educational base to fall back on when athletics no longer is a part of your life. They can be more than just their sport. A former Stanford football player, Dr. Brown, who is from Chicago. He was a football player at Stanford, and he now has his MD, and he's a surgeon at UC Davis Medical School. Also, we're going to have a current women's soccer player from Stanford and a current women's basketball player from Cal. So everyone is welcome. You don't have to be a minority, and you don't even have to be a student athlete. If you want to hear from these amazing people in our community and just, really empower yourself to be more in any aspect, please feel free to come. But the reason why we are targeting minority student athletes is because those are the ones most often that feel as though they can't pursue more due to financial need. And that's just a matter of the fact. I'm a minority myself. I've seen so many people say the same thing, and I just want them to know that it's possible. We would love to have you guys all there. It's going to be a great event, and I'm really excited to put it on for you guys.